Time for some self-soothing 46-year-old dirt and grime removal in slow-mo. Here we go. Wow, look at that. That is insane. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at that diff. Oh my gosh. The insides. Oh yeah, this come out super clean. Super happy. All right, so this is 46-year-old grime and dirt that's caked up on my 9-inch forward rear differential. We're gonna put some SuperClean on it and go to work. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna use this SuperClean really vigorously, spray it good, and use this pressure wash. Let's check it out. Use a steel brush here and give some scrubbing away. Look at that already. Huge difference, peeps. Huge. This is why I use SuperClean. Steel brush and a metal scraper. Took 46 years off. You can even see the splines in the bolts here for the rear pinion diff. This stuff is awesome. Go SuperClean. My original brake valve is actually brass. Oh, I love this stuff. Good stuff. Thank you, SuperClean. Look at that. Guys, doesn't get cleaner than this. All right, folks, I went ahead and used my dryer and dried everything off as much as I could so it wouldn't give you that wet look. Look at this, guys. I swear by the SuperClean stuff. I use a scraper and a regular steel brush that you use for welding or something like that. But literally, folks, it even brought out the copper washers. This stuff, or this has never been replaced. The grime on this was probably 1/8 of an inch thick, and took some elbow grease to get all cleaned off. But look at this, guys. Ooh boy, that's why I love SuperClean. Thanks for tuning in.